I'm here with Peter MacDonald, VP of Cloud and Strategic Partners at Snowflake. I'm so excited to chat with you. I hear you have some initiatives with AI and Microsoft and all of that. It's really exciting. Can you tell us a little bit more?
Absolutely. Just about a year ago, Satya and Snowflake's CEO announced a new reinvigorated partnership focused on bringing AI to our customers with the Snowflake Data Cloud platform. Snowflake has some great capabilities in scalable analytics, ease of use, data collaboration that we've seen wide adoption in enterprise, including many thousands of customers on Azure. So what we want customers to understand is whether you want to use the Microsoft AI stack, the Snowflake AI stack, or a third party, Snowflake is the best or the ideal data platform to build on top of. Now on top of that, just last month, we launched Snowflake Arctic. Snowflake Arctic is an open, large language model focused on enterprise use cases. So things like instruction following, SQL generation, things like that. We're at the top or near the top of all the industry benchmarks, which is great. And it's open. It's licensed under Apache 2.0. And we provide code templates and a bunch of other things for customers to use it. So that's been fantastic. And it's available not only in Snowflake Cortex, which is our own AI offering, but also on other model gardens, including, for the folks here at Build, most importantly, Arctic Model Catalog.
That is so cool. I'm smashing benchmarks. Good news. I love open source. That's great news. And I also know that you have some new news from today.
Yes.
Okay.
So just this morning, we had another big announcement with Microsoft, and that is regarding how Fabric OneLake can now interoperate with Snowflake using the Apache Iceberg format. This provides for interoperability and bidirectional data exchange between Fabric OneLake and Snowflake, so you don't have to go through the cost and otherwise to manage different data silos. You can access through Microsoft 365 data in Snowflake. If you're in Snowflake, you can access data in Fabric. So great cost savings, great collaboration. Super happy to be partnering with Microsoft.
I'm so glad we got the latest. Thank you so much for joining me.
Great, thank you.